looking good. What's up, YouTube? It is All Black Blazing here with a different type of video here. We got Justin and Mr. Old Man Daryl himself.
Yo, what's good?
You see what he holding?
It's upside down.
That's all right, long as you're holding it.
So what's up?
Today's video is going to be about cruising, longboarding. So, you know what I'm bringing out? Bringing out mammoth. So, let's go ahead. Let's get it started. You said what?
I said it'd be funny like when you record a video and then you go back and watch it. You're like, damn, that shit sounds funny as fuck.
Yeah, bro.
Because you kind of have to like hype yourself up to get over the fact that you look goofy talking. You know what I mean?
Yeah, especially when you're in public and you're like this. Like, oh yeah, you know, what's up guys? This and that. Oh, you need my keys.
But once you get over that little hump, that shit easy as fuck.
Yeah, big confidence
Like,
thing.
I
Just be talking.
I cut the camera on, and once I started getting a few likes on my videos, I was like, oh yeah, this shit alright. You know what I mean? Hell yeah.
If you want to hear some real words of an old man, he does have a channel. The link will be in the bio. And what's your YouTube channel?
Yo, King Chef Shalom.
Yeah. Wise words of an old man who lived past 200. So let's get this day started. You got to bail out.
Hit one of these numbers. Sitting sideways on that shit. Yo, you good?
Ooh, gothic. Cutting over. Ooh, almost fell. Huh?
Dude on the bike, the older dude was one of y'all.
Not going that fast, bruv. Ooh. Crazy, because even though you don't use two hands to ride, it's very awkward to very awkward for me to be recording and trying to kick here. Difficult, but I'll manage it. And then nice, look at the view. Oh Lord, I almost crushed myself. Ooh. So now we are at one of our first nice locations. Can you see the difference in the road? Oh, it looks so nice. So we turned into a cinematic. right quick. You know what you're doing there, potluck?
We gonna find out, ain't we? Yeah, he gonna fly and the bug gonna pop off. Type shit.
Are you tightening them or loosening them?
Loosen. That's too loose. I'm gonna keep the tool on me. I was keeping it in my back pocket.
Tighten that one up a little bit. Yeah, tighten that one up a little bit. Tighten this one up just a little bit. Because what you're looking for, you can like wiggle that. See how I just moved just a tiny bit. That's how you know the slack is off. Like it's not too pinned in and it's not too loose to where it moves. It just a little jiggle and you're good to go.
You're good to go.
You got a jiggle? Do you got a good jiggle in there?
Yeah, I got a good jiggle.
In there. Yeah, ever so slightly a nice little jiggle.
Yeah, my jiggle's good.
Alright.
Alright, my jiggle.
And off to another one. Quick, oh Lord.
And off to another one.
What is it?
Off to another one. Kick it out and then try to run and catch it.
I do it all the time.
Like, kick it out, not just a little throw.
Oh, no.
Like, kick it out.
That, bro.
Oh,
Oh, what happened?
I was a little too fast.
I hit you. If Mammoth hit you, it's gonna dent something. It's gonna dent something. Yeah. Y'all want to see what it looked like to be, how you say it, TOF? First person view, TOF, of Mammoth, right? I'm finna. Let's go. third break. Some of them are tired. It's only 2 of them. I don't know. Who is tired?
I don't know. You tired?
You tired?
Nah, not at all.
Am I tired? No.
Am I tired? Yeah, look.
He's the one.
I'm the one. It's like, what's the plan?
You tell me about it. No clicker. All manual over here. Go ahead.
Go. Get the long one.
You want me to put mine in first? All right, YouTube. This is our first but many adventures of longboarding throughout the city. All right, YouTube. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more longboarding content. It's gonna come anyway, but you know, just like, subscribe, love it, enjoy it, and who knows, we might bring some of y'all out here. Till the next video.